Hey guys, today I'll show you the unboxing of the Realme Narzo 30 Pro 5G. On the front, you can see the phone's name, and at the back, specifications like processor, battery, display and camera. So let's open the box. First, you can see the lid with Feel the Power tag. Inside it, we have documentation like a quick guide and safety guide which will give you end-to-end information about the phone. Next is a transparent back cover which will protect your phone from any harm. Here we have Realme Narzo 30 Pro 5G. The phone has a punch hole display. The device offers a stunning triple camera setup on its rear side. Also, Narzo branding at the bottom left. The phone looks very stylish. You will get USB Type-C cable for charging the phone and transferring the data. Now we have a 2-pin wall charger with 30 watt of fast charging. At last, we have a SIM ejector tool. So guys, that's all you get inside the Realme Narzo 30 Pro 5G box. Thank you so much for watching this video.